would describe Prophix in one word as powerful.
Powerful. It gives us the opportunity to find more rewarding ways to spend our day and more time to evaluate and see the interesting side of our business rather than just the numbers.
My name is Bona Allen. I'm the Senior Vice President Chief Financial Officer for Kajima Building Design Group.
My name is Jennie Robison, and I'm the Vice President Controller at Kajima Building Design Group.
Kajima is based in Tokyo, first formed in 1840, came to the U.S. in the 1960s.
Our company is a general contractor. We specialize in manufacturing and warehouse distribution sites, along with some interior work in the Northeast. The challenges that we face on a monthly basis are just streamlining the month-end close, coordination of people, as well as all the tasks that we perform. And then on a quarterly basis, we do a lot of reforecasting and additional reporting for our parent company.
Challenges from a finance perspective really is looking at where we've been and where we're going. Ultimately, we want to know what's coming.
There are just a lot of reporting requirements that are performed in Excel. It's very easy to make mistakes. At the time, our reporting software was sunsetting. As we started evaluating software, we discovered that there were a lot of other solutions that Prophix could offer. What stood out to me about Prophix was just the powerfulness of the tool.
We chose Prophix because it's a powerful tool. All the functionality within Prophix seemed to fit.
The opportunities that it would allow for us to streamline processes and to automate many of the things that we had been doing in Excel previously. The transition to Prophix was really smooth. They assigned homework and we followed that and went very smoothly. We were up and running and did not miss a beat.
Life before Prophix. Excel. In generating the financial statements, there's every bit of the process to get the financials involved Excel, calculations, and that was very frustrating.
Some of the pain points before we implemented Prophix were really around budgeting and forecasting and the creation of our WIP schedule. Both tasks were performed in Excel, was extremely manual, extremely time consuming with very little value add.
Prophix has been able to take away a lot of that, from the financial statements to the G&A budgeting and forecasting.
Now our WIP schedule is generated automatically in Prophix. It has reduced the amount of time that it took to prepare that report immensely. And really the same with the budgeting and forecasting. We have gotten into a really good rhythm creating our annual plan, and then we do quarterly reforecasts. It really allows us to think about what the numbers are telling us rather than just spending all of our time entering data. We've been using Prophix since 2020. Previously, our WIP schedule was created. We had a different Excel workbook for every business unit within our company. And so we were updating each spreadsheet monthly. Now that report is created with a couple of clicks.
We've been able to move away from Excel. That's made a big difference from an efficiency standpoint and the one source of truth. I mean, we can just run it straight out of Prophix. The details of our G&A, budgeting, and forecasting are all within Prophix, as opposed to a couple hundred spreadsheets on a server somewhere and you're never quite sure where to look, right? So it's all in one place.
The biggest thing that Prophix has helped me with is just streamlining processes and streamlining the activities that we are required to do on a month-in, month-out basis. The impact that it has had on our team is that it saves time. During the pandemic, we almost tripled in size. So we had 3 times as much work to do. But through the use of Prophix, we were able to keep staffing levels consistent and we didn't have to go outside to hire. We were able to utilize the software to handle the growth. I would describe Prophix in one word is a time saver. It has given us time to think about what the numbers are telling us rather than just spending all of our time entering numbers into a spreadsheet. What I love about Prophix is just all of the capabilities that it has.
I feel like we're just sort of touching the surface.
I look forward to spending time finding out how to make the tool as powerful and useful as we can.